Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll see how to configure user-defined function block. UDFB is a user-defined function block that is used for modular programming. It allows user to reuse the code in multiple program, and it can be also exported for using in other projects. Let us see how to configure UDFB of volume for sphere. Volume of sphere is 1.33 into 3.14 into radius cube, so we'll make UDFB for this. Here, using FL4 series PLC. Expand logic block, in that select UDFB. Right-click on the UDFB, select new logic block. New program window opens up. Here, we can rename it. Here, we can change the programming language. Here, select execution cycle UDFB, click on OK button. Expand UDFB, right-click on the created UDFB, select Edit Parameters. Program parameter is on screen. Here we can add input parameter for the UDFB, click here for adding parameter, add parameter is on screen. Here create the tag. Select the data type. If we click on this checkbox, we can use input variable as both input and output variables. If we click on auto add, we can create multiple tags. Now, create output parameter tag with the same procedure. Now, output and input both tags are created. Here, we'll write the logic for the finding volume of sphere. As per the volume formula, we'll first perform the multiplication. For this, from arithmetic select multiplication block. Multiply block is on screen. For input 1 write 1.333. For input 2 write 3.14. Here using internal memory for storing multiplication result. Now we'll find cube of the radius. From math select exponent. Exponent block is on screen. Here select the radius tag. As we want to find cube, right here 3. Here again using internal memory for storing result. Again from the arithmetic select multiplication block. For finding volume of sphere, here we'll perform the multiplication of memory 1 and memory 2. Here we'll use output parameter tag, that is volume. So at volume tag we'll get volume of sphere. Compile the logic. No error detected, so we can proceed further. The UDFB configuration is completed. From main, open block 1. Expand the project, select the UDFB created. UDFB is on screen. Here write the name for the UDFB. I am using D1. Here for radius input we can directly give the radius value, or we can use memory for changing the value in run mode. Here create the tag for showing the volume of sphere. Again compiling the logic. Download the application. Application is downloaded, we can close the screen. Now, go online. Device is in halt mode, select run mode. Here we can write the radius value. Here, we'll get the volume of sphere. We can check by giving multiple radius values. This is the UDFB where actual calculations part is done. With this we have done with the UDFB configuration. We can use this block multiple times wherever required. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment, like and share. For more videos, please subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon for updates.